mabulo Igbo busie ike amụrụ fada mọbole omenala Igbo ya die kwelu ise ana ọmụ mmanwụ chiri fada eje mụchie fada maka n'obodo niile mecha mmanwụ na nka na-ebi ya n'isi obodo meje dị mmanwụ.
Hey! What this Reverend Father did in this video is something that most of our pastors, priests will not do. I want you guys to watch this video and then you let me know what you think in the comment section. You see, these are one of the things you can never take away from Catholic priests. If you come to people that promotes Igbo culture and tradition mostly, you see these Catholic Reverend Fathers, most of them are one of the people that are promoting Igbo culture and tradition. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section.